surging forward with real menace here. Brilliant from Messi. Oh, what a goal that is! It's to do with the spring and the timing. Look at this from Messi. Look at this one.
He leaves one. He leaves two for them. Takes on three. Takes on four. Beats the goalkeeper. You're just lost for words. He is just brilliant.